Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Natalie, and you guys, can you guys guess what I have? Ta-da! It's the Norvina palette. This is beautiful. I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? This is so pretty. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Norvina is Anastasia's daughter, so I was very excited when this leaked. As soon as I saw it, I knew I needed it. Hopefully, it's as pretty on the eyes as it is on the palette. And well, these are actually colors that I don't have, so I'm so happy that Anastasia came out with a new palette that has different colors, so I'm very excited to try it. And this palette retails for $42, just like the other ones. And I'm not sure if it's in stores already. I got mine from AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. And you guys, I love the velvet, but it's going to get dirty so fast. Like, you guys, look at my Modern Renaissance. I don't even know how it got dirty, because I would usually keep it in the unit carton and it still got dirty. So that's the only problem with the packaging. But I love that it's purple. I don't have any purple palettes, so I'm very excited to try it. So it does come with a dual-ended brush, and I'm happy that it comes with it because, oh wow, this one is actually very soft. Okay, so this is a different brush than the previous ones. I love that they come with a brush because you can never have enough brushes. I do want to swatch them, but only a few. I only want to try the shimmers and Soul and Love because these are so pretty. Soul and Love, I need to try them. So this first one is Dreamer. The next one is Summer. Then it's Wild Child, Rose Gold, Celestial, Dazzling, Drama, Soul, and Love. And you guys, these right here, up to this one, these are so creamy. I don't think I've ever felt such a creamy shadow. Like, a little bit goes a long way with those. And Drama is more of a harder shade. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it is not creamy like the others. And then Soul, I was dying for this color, but if you guys can see, there are little shimmers in it, so I am not sure how to feel about that yet, because it is a more matte shade, and with shimmer, I don't know. And Love also has shimmer, and this one is very powdery. The swatch was powdery, so you can already tell that it is a powdery shade, but I don't mind that because it's such a pretty color. So yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do. I never know what look I want to do when I get a new palette. So today I am going to be using the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish eyeshadow primer, and this primer is so good, you guys. I need to start using it more because it's so good. So first I am going to be taking Love, this pink one. Okay, you guys, the fallout is real. Do you guys see that? I only tapped it twice and it's bad. I'm not even going to tap this off because we need it. Oh no, 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 no. Did you guys see that? It like went on my eye, on my face, on the floor. So I'm going to blend this all over my crease, or all over my eye, a little bit above my crease. Yeah, I have to tap it off because I don't want any more eyeshadow going in my eye. This is the prettiest pink eyeshadow I've ever seen. I was kind of skeptical because of the shimmers in it, but on the eye you can't see them. So that's a good thing. So now I want to take Passion, which is this one. I want to focus that on the outer corner. I really want to deepen this crease. So I'm going to focus this right here. So now I'm going to take the brush I used for Love. I'm going to blend the outside. Now I'm going to go back with Passion. Okay, now because I wanted to match my highlight, I am going to take Celestial. I kind of want to take Drama. It's like a black purple. So I kind of want to take that right here. I think I'm going to do it. So this one does have fallout. Can you guys see the fallout on my makeup? So be careful with this shade. I don't really want to blend it in with the others, so that's why I am pressing it onto the corner. Oh no, that just created a lot of fallout under my eye. So now going back with Passion, just to blend the edges of Drama. So that completely changed the look. Now it's more like a purple, and you know, I had forgotten that I had purple highlight, so I wanted it to match. So now I will do the other eye, and then I'll do the lower lash line. Hey guys, so I did a wing, and I did reapply my concealer because I had a bunch of fallout from Drama. And you guys, I messed up on my eyeliner right here, and I was about to start all over again, but I scratched it off and it actually came off, so that was a miracle. So now for the lower lash line, I am going to be taking Love. I'm going to place this a little bit under my lower lash line because I want to put Passion there. So that is why I am doing this. So now I am going to take Passion and I am going to put that higher. You guys, I think I've said this in every video, but this Morphe E36 is my favorite brush. You guys need it. It is so soft and it makes the lower lash line so easy. So you guys need this brush. So now for the inner corner, I am going to be taking Wild Child. And Wild Child is this one right here. Oh my gosh, I think I put too much. Oh wow, that is crazy. It looks like a neon pink. Wow, I kind of like it. Okay, so I'm going to do the other one. Okay, so now I am going to do my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am really loving how this look turned out. I don't think I've ever done a look like this. And I'm loving the inner corner. Like it was honestly unintentional. I didn't know it would look this bright, but it does, and I really like it. I think I'm going to be doing this inner corner more. I really love the Norvina palette, and I'm really glad I got it because I don't have the colors that that palette has. What I love about this palette is that it's not that dramatic, but at the same time it's like a more fun palette. I really like it, you guys. I have not tried all of them, but I really want to do more looks with that palette. I will be posting a picture of this look on my Instagram, so please go follow me at Girly Natalie. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you guys want to see more videos, go comment, and please subscribe and turn on your bell so you can get a notification when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.